Hello everyone, what's up? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the alarm sound on Android easily with 1 to 2 simple steps. Let's get started. In order to change the alarm sound, first of all, open the clock app or the app in which you just set it up your alarm. So as you can see, here are 3 alarms. So let's change the sound of this. So tap on the alarm and then you have to tap on more. Here you would find the ringtone thing. When you tap on it, you would able to change the ringtone. So there are two things mainly you have to know this. Firstly, you can select a custom ringtone from the downloaded files or from the audio files that are stored on your Android. Secondly, there are some predefined ringtones that you can easily select. Just tap on it in order to hear it. When you tap on some others, it will show you those things. So if you want to just set any of them like the default sounds, so get back here, and as you can see it shows ringtone night, and when you tap on the save button it would just save the default ringtone as your new alarm ringtone. Okay, but what if you have to set a custom ringtone? Simply tap on the ringtones here, select from files, and here are all the audio files that can be used as the alarm sound on your Android. So simply select one of it and you would able to just save it. Let me show you how. So as you can see, I am just setting the Alan Walker faded instrumental music as my alarm ringtone. So I have selected it. Get back into the menu. As you can see, I have selected the file. Get back into the alarms setting, and here you have to press the save option. So when you tap it, now the new alarm ringtone would be the new setted one, which is the Alan Walker's faded instrumental thing. That's it for the video tutorial. You can read our article here. I am linking it below. Before you go anywhere, just wait. Hit the like button. It's completely free. It's like it would help other people to find out this useful video. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day, sir. Oh, madam.